afternoon, my name is Megan and we're going to be doing a little bit of a demonstration on instrument cleaning here. Here I am showing the instruments. We got cheese, ketchup, mustard, and bread. And these are the instruments we're using: the Lorna non-penetrating towel clamps, the Mitts and Balm scissors, the Alice tissue forceps sets, and the pull suction tips. Here I am showing my PPE. I don't have my gloves on because I need my hands right now, but here's what it says about PPE. Must be worn by the personnel who will come in contact with these instruments. This should include eye protection, fluid-resistant face mask, fluid-resistant gown, gloves, and hair and shoe covers. The manufactured information of use IFU is referred to the proper cleaning and sterilization method. Here we are using the 3-sink method. Here we have our first sink, and that's where we have our common neutral pH enzymatic detergent. We're using the Medline Empower Dual enzymatic detergent, and the instruments will be in here for 5 minutes. And the water is kept at 80 to 100 degrees. And this is where you do your scrubbing in this sink. In this next sink, there isn't much going on. It's just tap water, and this is where you'll do some rinsing. And this is the 3rd sink, and this is for the final rinse. And it's filled with distilled deionizing water, and that is to prevent staining of the instruments. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate cleaning these instruments off. Here I have a brush, and like as I mentioned, my detergent's in here. That's my rinse water, and that is also my rinse water, which is distilled water. So we're going to take these instruments, and we're going to make sure they're open, to the open position. And we're going to do some scrubbing action on them. In this suction tip, you're going to want to go ahead and pull it apart. And you're going to want to hold it vertically and do some scrubbing with your brush. After you're done scrubbing, you're just going to visually inspect them, holding them down, looking for debris. The suction tip I had to take apart in 2 parts, so we're just rinsing that out, and then taking my phone battery just paused the video, so I'm going to get reset here. So now we're just taking this, just cleaning the inside of our section. This section is really small. And these are supposed to soak in the detergent for 5 minutes. So we're going to pretend like 5 minutes has passed and say 5 minutes later. After that, you're going to go ahead and take all of your instruments and you're going to put them in the rinse. Okay, and now after being in the second rinse sink, we're going to put it in the final rinse sink. And the final rinse sink is just going to get that final bit of debris off, and it's going to assure that staining does not occur with the instruments. Okay, and also after we're done with these instruments, what they would do is go into an ultrasonic cleaner, which processes the instruments and sections extra debris out using cavitation. Also part of the cleaning process is you want to section any lumens out of things like your suction tips. And that concludes my demonstration here. Thank you very much.